Now in this video, we're going to cover how to install the Windows 7 VM. It's going to be a blue.7zip file linked below. All you have to do is download it, store it into whatever folder you store all your other ISOs, and then go to the ISOs, blue.7zip, show more options, and then go ahead and extract the files here. You will see a pop-up. Go ahead and hit OK, and then now we'll be seeing the extraction going on. Now, if you don't have 7-zip, you can quickly do a quick Google search and then download it. If you don't have the utility on your Windows machine, it's really simple. Now we see this blue folder. Go ahead and double click it. Now we see a ctf-win7.ova. Go ahead and right click it, and then we'll open it with VirtualBox. That way we can import it into that hypervisor. Now that we see the appliance settings, one processor for the CPU is fine. 2 GB of RAM is plentiful, and then we'll go ahead and change the name to Windows 7 and then finish that up. And then let's go ahead and boot it up just to make sure that it works. And once we boot it up, you'll see that it's importing the appliance. This may take a few minutes, so you can go ahead and take a coffee break, and then it'll boot up to Windows 7, and then we'll make sure everything's good before we proceed to the next video. Now we see it imported. Go ahead and double click it again, just so we can power up the VM. And that should be fine. We see it booting up now. Go ahead and close this out. Starting Windows. This looks kind of old if you're used to Windows 10 or 11. Mouse integration. Now we see it loaded up as the John user. That's exactly what we want to see. Now you can go ahead and power this off, and then we'll see you in the next video.